Hello there ladies, Chelsea here, coming to you with your week 4, day 1 exercise programming. Today, guess what? You don't need any equipment at all. If you're training outside, you may want some kind of mat because we will be going down on the ground for a couple movements, but there's not really anything that you can incorporate dumbbells or a band with, so don't worry about that. Okay, so we're gonna go through our first set of exercises. We have 3 exercises in this very first circuit. First one being a squat with a knee raise. So this is a newer movement. I included a link to a video that kind of goes through it in greater detail in your actual programming. But to demonstrate, we're squatting, knee up. Squat, knee up on the other side. Just like this. Really no modification. I think all of you can definitely do this movement. If for some reason you just absolutely can't do any more reps once you've done some, you can take out the knee raise if you want to, but we're in week 4, we're halfway through, so we're really trying to push ourselves and continue to get better and better and better, continue to challenge that body. Next we have high knees, so just general high knees, making sure those knees are getting up high, the modification being that we're just stepping it out rather than running it out. And then finally air punches, so in a nice athletic stance here, and we're punching it out with a twist, getting that body moving. Okay, moves us into our superset. First movement we have is plank reaches. I don't know if I've had you guys do these. I can't remember. So there's a few different ways that we can do it. You can do it from a position like this, raising. This would be the modification of the movement. You could do in a push-up position and either only raise with your hands or raise hand and foot. That would be a progression, more of an advanced movement. And then we have those tricep dips that I know you guys have done several times. To progress this movement, you could be up on a step to make the range of motion greater. So hands would be on the step or your couch, anything that would be up at a higher level than the ground here. Or you can do them on the ground as well. Remember with these, our main thing is that we are making sure to not flare our elbows outwards. Elbows should be going straight back, just like this. So we're up in a tabletop position, elbows straight back and up. Okay, so that's your circuit 2, which takes us into our final circuit of the day, circuit 3. Okay, so we had a superset below. This is another superset here. So first thing is plank taps. You guys have done these lots of times. From a plank position, I want you all by this week 4 to be able to do it here in the push-up position, not on our knees. So from a push-up position, and we're tapping each shoulder. The big thing here is we're making sure that we're not rocking side to side with it. It's not this. We're keeping that nice tight core and only moving our arms. Then diamond push-ups. You guys have done these as well. Remember, we can do these from a traditional push-up position. We can do them on our knees, or we can do them against a wall. Whatever is gonna be best for you. Remembering to challenge ourselves because we're halfway through. So for these, remember, hands are in a diamond position. Fingers don't need to touch. It's probably gonna be most comfortable for you to have them a little bit further apart. Diamond position, and just like with those tricep extensions, we're working the triceps, or the tricep dips. We're working our triceps, so instead of flailing the arms out like this, we want them to be going straight back. So to demonstrate, we're up like this, straight back. If we're on our knees, same thing, straight back. Okay, so that's the end of that superset. And then, I promise I really do love you guys. You're gonna finish with only 1 set, but you're gonna be doing 40 burpees. And I know that sounds like a lot, but like I mentioned, we're in week 4, okay? We're pushing ourselves. You guys have goals. Several of you have dropped several pounds already, which is just awesome. But to continue seeing those drops each week, we have to continue challenging that body. So do your best. Remember, as always, with modifying those burpees, you can take out the push-up if you need to. You can take out the jump at the end, or you can take out both. But I really, really, really want you to be pushing yourself. This finisher at the end is meant to be challenging. It should be hard. You should be taking breaks. You should be cursing my name as you're doing it. So make sure that you're pushing yourself, giving your all, because we are halfway through and we want to finish strong. So I will see you guys here in just a little bit for our day 2 exercises.